Okay, let's see a show of hands. Who wants to hang out in real life when you can spend your time with friends in virtual reality? Okay, thanks guy in blue shirt. VRChat is a free-to-play MMO and a VR social networking platform that allows players to take on a 3D avatar and interact with other players in a virtual space. Best of all, it's free. You can play games and build your own private worlds for you and your friends to spend time in. There is a desktop mode, but you're going to need a headset if you want to get the full virtual experience. So, what is the best headset for VR chat? There are dozens of VR headsets on the market today as technology keeps getting more and more advanced all the time. We have listed the top 5 VR headsets for VR chat and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. HTC Vive Pro. Bear with us on this one, because we're sure most of you won't necessarily be thrilled by the expensive in the title. Yes, this system is expensive, but we still believe it's worth every dime. If product quality, immersion, range of motion, and comfort were the only factors we took into account, in a sort of vacuum where price doesn't matter, this system would probably topple the Samsung as our favorite. The Vive Pro has a lot going for it, which we're happy to break down. Immersion includes more than just the video quality. So while the Samsung had the clearest video quality, we argue that the Vive Pro had the best immersion of any device on the list. This is because the headset is designed to provide full visual continuity, meaning you won't notice any peripheral boundaries that could take you out of the experience. Small oversights in other products, such as light passing through the nose piece, have been remedied. While we know we've made a big deal out of it already, the video quality for this product is nothing short of stunning. In particular, we've noticed how readable and clearly defined in-game text has become with the Pro. The headsets will have you squinting, but we found subtitles, health bars, and names very accessible. Audio quality is also sharp, and the attached speakers fit comfortably over your ears. There's an intangible factor in this product as well. And though it is well intangible, it's worth pointing out. When reading reviews for this one, you'll find lots of people raving over it, and we believe that's the combination of its great audio, visuals, and high price point. The people who buy this one are already in love with VR, and this system takes them to the next level. But there are some areas where the system did fall short for us. Setup, for instance, is much more complicated, and the entire system is more high maintenance and intensive than some of the other VR systems. And while the controllers are excellent quality and fit neatly in your hand, we preferred the more analog approach of the Oculus. Finally, and there's no getting around it, the price is a factor. You should expect to pay more for this system than just about any other mainstream VR on the market. We've already gushed about why this is, but make sure you consider this when you're making your choice. Number 4. BNext VR Headset. Not everyone is looking to drop a ton of cash just to play a little VR chat. Maybe you have some friends on the platform and want to try it out without spending a lot of money. Well, we have some good news for you. You don't need to if you already have a smartphone. This one is a little bit of a hack though, so don't expect it to be plug and play. VR Chat is a PC and Oculus exclusive. It can't be played on mobile. You can work around this by downloading an app called VRidge, which allows you to stream VR from your computer to a mobile device, either over Wi-Fi or linked via USB. The free version is capped at 10 minutes, but you can sign up for unlimited for $15. You should note that this solution isn't perfect, and you might experience some lag. That said, if you just want to dip your toes into VR chat without spending triple digits on a headset, this could be a viable solution. The BNext mobile VR headset was our pick for the best mobile VR headset because of its viewing quality, comfort, and wide range of compatibility with different size smart devices. Combine it with VRidge, and it's our pick for the best inexpensive VR headset for VR chat. Number 3. Samsung Odyssey. Our choice for the best overall VR headset for VR chat goes to, drumroll please, okay, maybe not, the Samsung Odyssey, Samsung's only computer-based VR headset. What makes this one so special? Thanks for asking. Where to begin? All in all, the Samsung Odyssey offers the most well-rounded VR experience you'll get from any of the products on this list. Its incredible resolution, matched with its relative simplicity, especially when compared with some of the other complicated rigs out there, means that you can completely immerse yourself without interruptions or distractions. While Samsung is best known for its mobile devices, their first foray into computer-based VR has resulted in a really special product, and one that gave us our best experience while testing. The OLED screen provides the best image quality of any device on our list, and this crystal clarity can let you effortlessly inhabit whichever world you've just thrown yourself into via VR chat. As for controls, these are fairly standard, nothing to write home about, but nothing that will adversely affect your experience either. To be honest, we did prefer the movement control of the Oculus over Samsung, but the difference wasn't particularly noticeable. Finally, though we've mentioned it before, the simplicity of this device takes it to the next level. In the case of most other devices on this list, external sensors, cameras, and cables can tie you up, both in setup and while you're trying to hop into VR chat. Thankfully, this is not the case for the Odyssey. Instead, this system uses a perfectly simple system without much downside. The lack of sensors can impact your movement in fringe cases, like when your arms are behind you, but there won't be much of a change beyond that. Now, it's important to look at the price. Without getting too specific, this headset falls right in the middle of the higher price band and is slightly more high-end than some of the other lower-end headsets, but certainly cheaper than the high-end rigs, which do promise to set you back a pretty penny. However, bearing in mind all the great features we've already mentioned, the Odyssey is a steal. No VR headset is perfect, but the Samsung is the closest thing we've found. You get a great physical immersion experience with a comfortable headset and fewer annoying bells and whistles. And you also get the most crisp and clear visual clarity on the market, and all at a super fair price. Number 2, Oculus Quest 2. The Oculus Quest 2 is a bit like Pinocchio. It's got no strings to hold it down. The Quest 2 is the second generation of Oculus's popular wireless VCR headset. It has an Android operating system, 6GB memory, and a powerful Snapdragon XR2 processor on board to play games without a PC tether. There are two variations, a $300 model that comes with 64GB storage and a $400 model that comes with 256GB. One of the best things about the Oculus Quest 2 is that while it's built to be a wireless platform, you do have the option to tether it to a PC if you want to use the PC's superior graphics processing. This is an excellent option if you don't own a gaming PC or simply don't want to have a cable dangling off your back while you play. VR chat can be used in both wired and wireless modes since it's available on the Oculus platform. Number 1. Oculus Rift S. The original Oculus Rift first made it to market in 2016, making it one of the earliest pioneers in the field of VR. True, there were plenty of other attempts at successful VR before the Rift, but the Oculus was definitely the first wave of products to make a splash on the market. This reason alone gives so much confidence in the new and improved S series. After all, Oculus VR nailed their first product, helping to spark the wave of VR mania we're still riding today. The fact that they've managed to isolate the best aspects of their original design while implementing new technology and graphics is even better. And of course, we'd be remiss not to mention the affordability of this product. While VR is still a luxury pursuit and the systems can easily cost you an arm and a leg, the Rift S is the most affordable on our list. At the end of the day, virtual reality is a highly individualized pursuit. There are so many factors at play to make an immersive and comfortable experience, and one single VR system can't hit all the buttons for everyone. However, there's one factor that impacts just about everyone: price. Not only does the new Oculus Rift S maintain the good features and improve on the not-so-good ones, it also maintains an affordable price. So if you're looking for a VR headset offering excellent bang for your buck, this may be the one for you. Based on all the factors we tested, the Samsung Odyssey is the best virtual reality headset for your VR chat experience. But whatever system you decide to buy, you're going to have a blast. The VR experience is just beginning, and we look forward to many more years of virtual fun. Let us know in the comments below which VR headset you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. And if you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. Till our next video surprise, see you guys later.